So have you been wanting to start affiliate marketing, but you don't want to get on video, you don't want to create a TikTok, you don't want to do a Facebook Live? We'll have a brand new method that you can make $1,000 a month with affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically promoting products and we get a commission from that. So you can see here with this specific product here that I'm going to be talking about, it's a hosting website. Basically, it helps people create websites. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, but you can see here I'm getting sales right here, right here. And this is a method where you don't have to get on camera. You don't have to shoot any videos. This is a completely, in the background type method. I think you guys are really going to enjoy this. If you are brand new to my channel, guys, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But the main goal on this channel, guys, is to help you build a passive income business to help you achieve financial freedom. Guys, I worked as an electrical engineer. I started my affiliate marketing business in May of 2019, and I quit my electrical engineering job March 2020. So within nine months, I was able to quit my job and do this full time. So I want to be able to help you guys. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, creating an online business, anything like that, guys, please subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day. So let's go ahead and get started. So the way this method works, okay, is we're going to be creating these links where people will actually be finding you. You're not going to be spamming your links everywhere. People are actually going to be looking for what you have, okay? Also, they'll be clicking your affiliate link and you're going to get paid when they buy, all right? So what we're going to do is we're going to use this web hosting affiliate program called Bluehost, okay? This is an awesome program. I use this on my website, okay? Basically, if you don't know what hosting is, it's basically a service that allows you to put a website on there, okay? So for example, if you wanted to create a website for yourself, you would need a hosting company, right? So there's Bluehost, SiteGround, there's all kinds of hosting companies, right? So for me, I like to promote Bluehost because that's what I use. It's super, super fast, really good customer service. So, I always say only promote products that you use and that you would promote, right? Or that you would recommend to your mom. So basically, Bluehost is an awesome software. I'm not trying to pitch it to you guys. That's just what I'm showing you, what I'm going to be promoting, and you guys can get started as well. So what you do, guys, is you go to bluehost.com/affiliates. You're going to get to this website here, okay? And this is the hosting website we're going to promote. Now, you can promote anything else if you'd like. I do like promoting this one. You get $65 for anyone that signs up to create a website, and then you actually get increases from there. So like I said, you can see right here, $100, $125. So as you get more sales, they'll start adding, they'll start giving you more commission. So it's really cool. But basically, all you got to do is sign up here. And then it's really easy. Just fill out the information, phone number, company name, street address, and then where you want to get paid. So you just put your PayPal email address. And then from there, they'll send payments directly to your PayPal. Super, super easy. Now, let me show you where to find your links. And then I'm going to show you how to get people to those links so they buy, all right? So now what you do is once you're signed up, you're going to go to this dashboard here, okay? You're going to get signed up and you can log into this dashboard. So all you got to do is go to links here. And then this is your tracking link. So when somebody clicks on this link here and they buy, you actually get paid. Really, really cool. So you get $65 when you first start out. And then like I said, as you get more sales, you get paid up to, I think, $150 once you get a ton of sales. So it's really cool. That's what I'm looking to do once I get more sales with Bluehost, okay? Now what's cool is I'm just going to test this out, make sure it works. So I'm going to go in incognito mode. If I click that link there, it should redirect to the sales page, right? So you can see here, someone can pay $3.95 a month, but you get $65 when they sign up, okay? Really, really simple. Now, how are we going to get sales? How are we going to get people to buy these links, okay? Well, first thing you got to do, guys, is you got to create like a review page, okay? You can either create a review page or a how-to, okay? So I'm going to show you an example of a how-to, okay? So this is something I created. It says how to create a blog, create a website from scratch, right? So I teach people in this blog how to create a website. Now, what I want to show you here is that the first thing I'm like, register a domain to your blog, right? So this is actually an affiliate link. So if people click this link here, it actually goes to my, so you can see it goes to my affiliate website, right? So it's tracked back to my affiliate link. So when people click that, I get a commission, right? Now, a lot of people, what they'll do is they'll just spam this link right here everywhere. But what I'm doing is I'm creating a review, or not even a review, but like a how to create a blog type blog, right? So when I'm creating this blog, people are going to go through, they're going to get a ton of value, and they're going to go with my recommendation for the most part, right? So it's going to say, get your domain here and then get your hosting. So for Bluehost, you actually get a domain and a hosting platform. So basically you can see here, you can register for Bluehost here and here, okay? So all these links here are going back to my affiliate link, all right? Another way you can do this is, I just want to show you real quick, okay? So Bluehost, you can do a Bluehost review, right? So you can do this as well. A lot of people, you can see it. I haven't done this yet because I'm going to show you why I don't do this, but you can see here, Bluehost review 2020. So this guy right here, he did a review about Bluehost, and he's going to tell you why he likes it, why he doesn't like it, stuff like that, right? But basically inside of here, he's going to give you his recommendation on Bluehost, okay? But that's what you can do as well, is a review of the software. I don't like to do reviews as much as I like to do like how to solve certain problems, right? So what you need to do is create a free blog where you teach people something, or you can do a review, either one, okay? I'm going to tell you right now, I get a lot more traffic from something like this where it's more functional. People can actually, they're looking to create a website, so I'm showing them how to do it, so then they go with my recommendations, okay? Really, really easy to do. If you don't know how to create a blog, I do have a free course where I show you how to do that. So it's actually this one right here. It's going to be linked in the description down below, guys. But this will show you how to create a blog, how to create your website, stuff like that. That's obviously a whole training in itself. But I have a free course on how to do that. It walks you through step by step, okay? So just letting you guys know if you don't know how to do that. But what you need to do, guys, is you need to create this review, okay? It's really easy to do. You can do this in probably like 30 minutes to up to 2 hours, depending on how fast you are, okay? Now, within this review, you have to obviously have your blog or your Bluehost link throughout this blog, right? So I got one here, I got one here, I got one here, right? I have these buttons that people can click, and it's going to redirect them to this link right here, okay? Really, really simple to do. Now, we have that done. Now, all we need to do is get traffic. We are going to get traffic from Google because, if you know how to do keyword research, you're going to have, people searching these type of keywords. And you're going to get free traffic from Google, but that takes a while. So I'm going to show you how to get free traffic. I'm going to show you 2 free methods to get a lot of traffic really, really fast, okay? So the first one, guys, is Reddit, okay? Reddit is an untapped traffic source that a lot of people are not using, and that you can start using right away and start getting traffic. You do have to be careful with Reddit, but I'm going to show you how to be careful and how you can get people to go to your links, okay? So if you go to, let's just say, best hosting, okay? You can type that in, and you can see that a lot of people are asking, what are the best hosting websites, right? So who is the best hosting company for photography? Which is the best hosting program for niche websites? All kinds of, 7 days ago, 23 days ago, 24 days ago. So people are asking this constantly, okay? So the cool thing is, once you answer these people, that answer's there forever, right? And people will be going through your answers. They'll be clicking those links. That's the goal, all right? So I'm going to show you something that I came up with. So let's just go to this one right here. Which is the best hosting program for niche websites, okay? So what you got to realize here, guys, is you can't just put affiliate links. You got to provide some sort of value for these people, okay? They're asking a question, right? So you can go ahead and I wrote something out for you guys. Let me see. I had it in here. Here we go. So, okay, so this is something that you can do. You can copy this if you'd like. Change it. I would obviously change it up that way it makes sense for you. But this is what it says, okay? I've been using Bluehost for years now, and they are the best. I've used SiteGround, TMD, and HostGator as well, but Bluehost is the easiest to use, and they have the best customer service. My website is super fast, and they have a live chat to support if you need any help. If you need help setting up your blog, I create a step-by-step blog on how you can create a website fast using Bluehost. Good luck. So you can see here, I have my affiliate link to this blog. Remember, you need to create this that way that people can go to this link. Now, what you don't want to do here is you don't want to add this link here, okay? You don't want to add this direct link. Reddit doesn't like direct affiliate links, but they want you to help people with blogs with information, okay? So you can go ahead and comment that, and people will go ahead and click on this link. They'll follow your information and then go with your recommendation. Super, super simple, okay? And you can find hundreds and hundreds of articles of people asking for this information, right? So let me show you one more. Let's just say how to start a blog, okay? So if you go to how to start a blog, there's probably hundreds of people. Okay, a free course on how to write a blog. Let's see here. Here we go. How to start a blog in 2020. So you want to look for these questions where people are asking, how do we start up a blog, right? So you can go in here and answer these questions. Let's see here. You can also do how to create a website, and start thinking of all these things that people can type in, right? Because there's so many things, right? Let's see how to create a website with video chat functionality. So these are, let's see here. Here we go. How to create a website without connecting to a host. You can go ahead and answer that one. So I would go in here and just enter that same question. I would change it up a little bit. That way, Reddit doesn't see it as spammy, okay? But you can definitely add this again, but definitely change this up. Now, there's a few guidelines that I recommend here, guys. So if you go to the self-promotion here, there's a few guidelines that you want to follow so you don't get kicked out. But basically, you should not be submitting any links. So you don't want to start by submitting any links, right? You want to start by providing value first, answer questions, and then, as you start getting some authority within Reddit, you can start adding some links, okay? You should submit it from a variety of sources, so you don't want to be posting the same website every single time. That way, it doesn't look spammy, okay? So there's a few things that you want to follow here with Reddit, but it's a great, great place to get traffic, okay? Another one, guys, the next one is Quora, okay? This is an amazing place to get traffic, okay? So if you go here, best hosting, people are asking tons of questions inside of Quora, and I'll show you exactly the questions inside of here, okay? So you can see here that, let me go back. Let's see, best. See if this pulls up. I'm going to do best hosting websites. All right, here we go. So which is the best hosting? Is GoDaddy the best hosting for new startup? What is the best web hosting? So you can see a ton of questions in here, guys. So what you need to go through is you go through and answer these people, okay? Now you can see here they're asking these questions. So all you got to do is hit answer. And then same thing. You're going to want to add that, add your answer. Now for Quora, I will tell you, it has to be a little longer. That way your questions will show up at the top, right? So you can see a lot of these people that are answering, they're pretty long, right? It's almost like a mini blog. So you can see here, they're pretty long, but within here, he has his affiliate links inside of here, okay? So boom, right there. He's got one there. He's got one there. So it's a it's a decently long question and an answer, or it's a decently long answer, but you can see the over 400 views. So you can imagine all the free traffic he's getting to this link here, right? Whatever link he's trying to go to. It looks like WordPress for beginners, right? So same thing here, but you can see, here's another one. He's promoting Bluehost, and then he's probably, look at that. He's got links to all these, SiteGround, Bluehost, HostGator. This one has 1.6 thousand views. So you can go through, guys, and there's so many questions being asked inside of Quora. You just got to think of what people are asking and answer the questions. Give them a legit answer, and people will go to your links. I promise you, if you provide the value that they're looking for with a good answer, people will go to your links, guys, and then they'll start buying. The stuff you're wanting to promote, right? This is a great way to do it, though, is having, instead of going to the direct link, right? Instead of going to the direct link, if you provide value inside of a blog like I just showed you, spend a little bit of time and create these blogs. and help people provide value inside of here, I promise you, you're gonna get a ton of people that buy your affiliate link. I mean, I showed you, I'm getting a ton of sales by doing this, and this is not my main program I promote, right? I promote a ton of other things. If you followed me for a while, you know I promote Clickfunnels, I promote Legendary Marketer, other programs. This is just it's just an added bonus, right? I get paid, you know, more by promoting this, right? So it's really, really cool. You can get this started today. Now, guys, I hope that made sense. Basically, you know, like, I just want you to create a blog, something that provides value on Bluehost or whatever you're trying to promote, right? Whatever hosting software. But I want you to do hosting, okay? If you want to get some of that faster money, hosting is a great way to do it, because a lot of people are looking to create websites, especially now. Everyone's trying to find a website, so people are going to be looking for you, okay? You just got to be able to have the content so they can find you. And, you know, people are asking this on Reddit, Quora. Those are just a few of the places you can get traffic. There's so many more places you can get traffic, guys. But if you want to learn more how to do affiliate marketing, guys, there's going to be a 15-day challenge where we walk you through step by step on how to get started with your affiliate marketing business. This is just a free method if you didn't want to spend any money. But if you want to learn the right way how to do affiliate marketing from beginning to end, there's a 15-day challenge. It's going to be in the first link in the description below. And we're going to walk you through how to get started. And guys, like I said, I was able to quit my job as an electrical engineer to do affiliate marketing. I love what I do. I love helping you guys, you know, hopefully leave your 9-to-5 job, get that financial freedom, whatever you're trying to do. It was my dream, and I'm glad I was able to do it. So, guys, I hope this video was of value. Shoot me a comment. Hit the like, guys. Comment or subscribe on the video, and we'll talk soon. God bless.